high fidelity prototype presentation. Nature Scavenger Hunt. Teachers, parents, students, and classmates can interact with each other through the English Learning Nature Scavenger Hunt game. As a social-media survey for motivation, interest, positive discipline, atmosphere, encouragement, and confidence in English learning. Meanwhile, his teachers and parents are aware of his gaming activity and English learning progress through their phones, and they can see that their child is playing this game. Thus, his teachers and parents can use their phone to provide the child with appropriate help and encouragement, so that his teachers and parents can appreciate and reward the child based on his gaming activity and English learning performance. This introduction continues. This flow chart, this side up, this side in. Teacher sign in. Teacher can set the system setting for student after signing in. Teacher can customize the English learning system, counseling system, and rewarding system for all students. So teacher can do the following. The English learning system, which includes English level settings, level pre-studying, revision level settings, and English learning performance. Set the English levels for all students through English level settings. Introduce the theme of this level under the teacher's guidance, and FTD guide all students to record their existing knowledge through level pre-studying. Decide whether to revise exercise based on the performance of all students through revision level settings. View student performance and also good students with poor performance in listening, speaking, reading, and writing for extra remedial lessons through English learning performance. Add or remove special look based on the psychological states of all students through the counseling system. Adjust the rewards at each level to motivate all students through the rewarding system. Parents sign in. Parents can set the system setting for their child after signing in. Parents can customize the English learning system, counseling system, and rewarding system for their child. So parents can do the following. The English learning system, which includes English level settings and English learning performance. Set the English level for their child through English level settings. View their child's performance in listening, speaking, reading, and writing here. Parents can decide whether to revise exercise based on their child's performance through English learning performance. Add or remove special look based on their child's psychological state through the counseling system. Adjust the reward set each level to motivate their child through the rewarding system. Student sign in. Students can press the pink button to start the English treasure hunt after signing in. Students can participate in the treasure hunt adventure game individually or team up with classmates to explore together. Meanwhile, students can also communicate, discuss, and interact with their teacher, parents, and classmates in the chat box at the bottom center during this game. To take the game, students search for treasure in virtual natural world, learning English while discovering various creatures in nature and their natural habitats. Students can pass the purple question mark to request help. Students also pass looks for revision. If student doesn't answer for a long time, AI tutor display impatient expression. Student answers incorrectly. Counseling system will display encouragement to students. Counseling system will display strengthen encouragement to students for special handling. Each time students find a treasure and answer questions about it correctly, they receive a reward and their score increases. Whenever students have collected 8 treasures, they can level up and receive a digital badge, as well as a prize commensurate with their level of achievement. Students can also press the line icon on the leaderboard to appreciate other classmates' excellent achievement, encouraging mutual support among students. Ultimately, when they have collected 5 digital badges, they are the winner of the final championship. Conclusion: teachers, parents, students, and classmates can interact with each other through this English learning nature scavenger hunt game as a social media survey for motivation, interest, positive discipline, atmosphere, encouragement, and confidence in English learning. The goal is to stimulate primary school student learning of English, encourage them to the initiative, and make the English learning process enjoyable.